Copy 2 May.
Thanks, North. Patrick answering, over.
Whitley 304 departed Memphis 1500 light. There's no pickup there. Over.
No pickups, so you're just heading back towards Rook and over.
As we know.
Alright, let me change your paperwork here. Monongahela 54, line 4, that, or just a line 2 westward.
Yeah, line 2 will be alright for us.
Okay, ready to copy there?
Ready to copy.
Track warrant 264 subdivision, Pittsburgh. 115-2010, West Wheeling Lake Erie 304 394 at Ball.
Track 2, no defects. Norfolk Southern detector. Milepost 21.1. Track 2, no defects.
From 10, latest TSR is 120120. Circle line 11, you have 4 items circled, 1, 2, 10, and 11. Over.
Back track warrant number 264 subdivision Pittsburgh. Needs 115 2010 Wheeling 304 304 at Longview. Circle line 1 track warrant number 259 259 is canceled. Circle line 2 operate west direction Longview MPC 5454 on the main track. Circle line 10 latest TSR in effect 120 120. Circle line 11 4 items circled 1 2 10 11. Over.
That's correct. Track warrant 264 effective at 1511 1511 hours. Over.
Track warrant number 264 time effective 1511 1511. Over.
That is correct.
B, trying to dispatch 27750. Guy flown over 37. Over. 3 feet over.